drunk guy. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, crap. Something Cow Pally 2. Yeah, it's definitely worth getting. If you enjoy RPGs, then yep. Not even close.
Ow! 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 Oh, stop! Stop! I give up! Damn it! You broke my nose!
Well, good thing I saved
But not your
30% on it
legs,
today.
so let's go
Nice
see
Cow
the
Pally
Smith.
2, and welcome.
And
Hope
take
you're having
my
a good
advice. Don't try anything else.
day. Are you there,
Here
Lucy?
you go. One village pyromaniac in the flesh.
Nap? You! I knew your mum for years. Charged her nary a copper. This is how you repay me. I've had enough. Hey, soldier. A minute of your time, please.
No! Willis! I beg you! I was drunk! Didn't know what I was doing!
Cow Pally 2, thank you very much for the follow.
We will help you
Welcome to
rebuild
the pain
once
train. I appreciate it
reinforcements
very
come.
much.
The supplies have been ordered.
Not what this is about, mate. This here's the arsonist. A witcher found him.
The forge was important to the garrison. Destroying it was sabotage. No trial needed here. Just a tree.
Phantom Pain Train. That's pretty epic, Lucy. Well, never know. After this, I might play the Phantom Pain.
Villagers will really love you now.
Well, no, I don't give a flying fuck about them. You know, I hated the Black Ones at first, like everybody else did. Now I'm thinking they might just bring order to this place. Teach these layabouts some manners. But enough about that. Your reward. And I managed to save some things from the fire. Anvil still holds, so I'm sure I can bang something out on it. You need anything, let me know.
Cow
Give you a
Pally
good
2, I
price.
think what he meant was I died to the drunk and I wasn't even close to killing him. I think Bonehead likes this game a lot. You might have read it wrong. I find it funny how lots of people say that it's not worth it and yet they're watching it on Twitch. I've seen that like 30 times in 2 days. Nah, it's definitely worth it. I wouldn't listen to
A return
anyone.
customer. Welcome. What can I do for you this time?
Show me what you got.
Holy crap, he's got a lot. Who knows, it's weird timing, right? That's it. Okay, let's sell all this crap. Nah, the game's definitely worth getting. Oops. Oh, 300. Holy crap. Saddlebags. I love streams. I love Steam deals at times. Why does Steam have a special on at the moment? Yep, that's true. What games does Steam have on special at the moment? Till the 15th. Holy crap. That's quite cheap. Hey Tatami, how are ya? Hope everything's all good. Welcome back. Dark Souls 2 50% off on PC. Holy crap, I can't stand Dark Souls 2. Yeah, a lot of people said that. I like it. Oh, uh-oh. Dark Souls 1 is $5 on PC? Holy crap. That's very cheap. Not enough coin? Wow, and I can make all this stuff. Sort of. Oh. Okay.
So long.
Okay, let's hard save it.
Whoa! Keeps pouring like this. Don't touch me. Eh?
Okay, what quest is next? Secondary. Find Dune Wildenvert? What the hell is that name? Let's do a hard save. Xbox One or 3? What's that, Cowpally 2? You asking if I'm playing on Xbox One or 360? Nah, I'm playing on PC with a PS4 controller. It's like the kind of irony.
Oh!
What graphics setting is making
Go,
sharp?
go.
It looks bad. Really?
We're catching snails.
Does it look bad to you, Tadami?
We're catching snails.
Cadmil Emporia.
Looks pretty sick to me.
Does the sun ever shine in this land?
Playing, I remember instantly turning off when I played the sharpening thing. Really?
Slow now.
It's probably string quality. Wait. Yeah, no, it's in-game, I remember it. Let's see if it looks better.
Whoa.
Actually does look better.
Come on,
Holy
Luke.
shit. Oh, actually. What the hell did it do? It's under post-processing. You can keep it on if you want. I don't know, but this, it does look better, but kind of, hold up. What the hell?
Go, go.
You can see all the finer detail in the ground and stuff. Look at the grass when you turn it
Hey-ya.
on and off.
Whoa.
Okay, there's the grass. Let's have a quick little test, eh? Oops. It does look better. It's
Giddy
more
up.
blendy. Bye, have a great time. See you later, Bonehead. You take care. Wait, maybe because...
Go, go.
I don't understand, with that turned off, does it make the game look better? Because that's kind of making my frames drop a bit now when I turn the camera angle.
Move it.
I don't think it affects performance.
So, we'll look for Bastion later once it's safe.
Giddy up.
That's a bit weird.
Stop whimpering, Hussar. We'll look for Bastion later once it's...
Do that often? Talk to your dog?
It's my brother's, Bastion's. But guess he's mine now. See, Bastion fought the Black Ones in a battle just outside the village. Haven't had word of him since. I told him, do like I did, lose a finger or two so they won't recruit you. Too damn afeard he was. Bloody hell.
I'd walk the battlefield if I were you.
I did. Sea of corpses. And corpsers.
Did I start
feeding.
again? Yeah, it was only 4
Someone
hours
told me they
last
were
time,
feared of
Lucy, and I
fire,
just
so I took a
thought,
torch, tried to chase them
I'm
off.
just gonna play
Horse
it,
shite, I
and
tell you.
do a new playthrough.
Would have ended up eaten alive if it weren't for Hussar here. Listen, guessing you carry those swords for more than show. Come with me.
See you
Keep the
later,
doors
Cow
off.
Pally, too.
Help
You
me
have a
find
good
Bastion
day.
and I'll pay you well.
You'd think sharpening would make the graphics look better, yeah.
Fine, I'll help you. Just been a few days since the battle. Chances we find your brother alive are slim. Very slim.
Yeah, Lucy, I
would've
thought I'd
thought,
do a new playthrough, because the
I want
last
to
one
find
was
his
only
body at
4
least.
hours, and I was
So
just
Bastion
like,
don't rot there in
bugger
the
it.
sun with the Black Ones. Meet me on the hill overlooking the battlefield. We'll move on together from there.
I'll try it on low. Not in a game with so much foliage. They still have them as individual textures, so they are too sharp. You can see each individual texture, making it look stupid in my opinion. I was saying to Simon, I remember watching you do this quest, I thought I was going nuts. Yeah, nah. I only did about 4 hours. Maybe you are going nuts. You never know. I think it looks good like this. I'm gonna keep it with these settings. But the thing is, I'm not playing this on Ultra because I've only got a GTX 970 and OBS uses my graphics card to process the application. So if I was to put it on Ultra, it wouldn't surprise me if I imagined it all, to be honest. But yeah, maybe you dreamed it. Deja vu.
Yeah.
But if it was a GTX 980, I wouldn't have any problem. Even 2 of them. People say that SLI is stupid, but I say that it's not. It allows you to play, especially for a streaming PC, turn off the video preview in OBS to remove the usage
Slower.
of GPU and keep it only using CPU. Really? What, so... Yeah, but then you can't see how your stream looks. You'd have to like go on the website and... Wouldn't that be a pain in the ass?
You're here, good. Bastion.
Like if you're only using one PC, SLI is
body must be here
great.
somewhere.
Been using it for a
Among
long time
countless
now.
others.
Exactly.
Want to examine them one by one?
If I was going to go
take a
SLI,
while.
I'd have
You
2
needn't fret.
GTX 970s
The
just
recruits
because it's
from White
cheap.
Orchard
You know,
painted a small
they're
flower on their
decent
shields
cards.
so as to be able to spot each other in battle. There was just a few of them. We looked for the flowers
And then
we'll
I'd
find
be able to
Bastion
use
quick.
one PC and stream every
offense,
game
but
on Ultra and not worry
many a
about
soldier's dropped
frames
his
dropping
shield.
on OBS.
Especially if he was on the
Perfect.
losing side.
If we find the shield alone, Hassan will catch the scent and lead us to Bastion. Come on. Sooner we get this done, the better.